Hello, friends. Today we will listen to a simple story. Listen slowly. Understand easily. There was a boy. His name was Ravi. Ravi was a good boy. He was honest, very honest. Ravi lived in a small village. His family was poor. They did not have much money, but they were happy. They were happy. Very happy. One day, Ravi was walking on the road. He was going to school. The road was quiet. There were not many people. Suddenly, Ravi saw something. He stopped. He looked down. It was a wallet, a brown wallet. Ravi picked it up. He opened the wallet. There was money inside, a lot of money. Yes, a lot of money. Ravi was surprised. He was surprised, very surprised. Ravi thought for a moment. He was a poor boy. His family needed money. He thought, I can take this money. I can help my family. But then he stopped. He closed his eyes. He said, No, this is not my money. No, I cannot take it. Ravi was honest. He was honest. Very honest. Ravi looked around. He wanted to find the owner. He saw an old man. The old man looked worried. Very worried. The old man was searching. He was looking here and there. Ravi went to him. He asked, Sir, are you looking for something? The old man said, Yes, I lost my wallet. I am very worried. Ravi smiled. He smiled softly. He said, Is this your wallet? He showed the wallet. The old man looked at it. His eyes became big. Yes, yes, this is my wallet. He was happy. He was happy. Very happy. The old man opened the wallet. Everything was there. All the money was there. The old man looked at Ravi. He said, You are a very good boy. You are honest. He gave Ravi some money. He said, This is for you. But Ravi stepped back. He said, No, sir. I do not want money. The old man was surprised. Very surprised. Ravi said, I am happy to help you. I am happy, very happy. The old man smiled. He felt proud, very proud. He said, Then I will help you in another way. Days passed. One day Ravi got a letter. It was from the old man. The old man was a teacher. He worked in a big school. He gave Ravi a chance to study, a chance for a better life. Ravi was happy. He was happy, very happy. His family was happy too. Very happy. Ravi did not take the money, but he got something bigger. He got a chance, a better future. Because Ravi was honest. Honest, very honest. Be honest. Be kind. Good things will come. Good things will come. Very good things will come.